Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel an order on Meesho. If you want to cancel an order on Meesho, then first of all, launch open the Meesho application on your device and log in. Once logged in, from the home page, tap on My Orders at the bottom right corner and you will see all of the orders that has been placed. To cancel the order, tap on the placed order and then on the next page, click on Cancel Order. Confirm by tapping on Cancel Order again and you can then select a region for cancellation. So right after you do that, you will be able to initiate cancellation for the product. Once cancelled, Meesho will process the refund according to the payment method you used. Refunds typically take 3 to 7 business days. And remember that you can only cancel orders that have not been shipped yet. If the order is already shipped, you need to refuse delivery or initiate a return once received. So that's how you can easily cancel an ongoing order in Meesho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.